So today we are super excited to have a true expert with us, Mr. Arshdeep Singh. He is a lead software developer at Commudle and a true pro in this field. Our agenda for today is simple and straightforward. We will start with an intro to AI so we all are on the same page. Then we will see AI in daily life कि मतलब AI हमारी लाइफ में कैसे यूज हो रही है और कैसे उसका मैटर करती है वो हमारी लाइफ में. After that, we have a special treat, a hands-on session where you all get to see things in action. So then finally we look talk about a future of AI कि फ्यूचर में AI के साथ में क्या होने वाला है और AI क्या कर सकता है हमारे साथ में. So get ready to learn, ask lot of questions, and be inspired. Please join me in giving a very warm virtual welcome to Mr. Arshdeep Singh.
Hello everyone. Thanks Chirag for your introduction. I hope I am audible to everyone.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes. Thank you Chirag. Thanks the Meerut community which helped me to join the stage. Let's wait for 1 minute. I think maybe some are not joined. Let's wait. Yes, I think all are here. If someone have somebody which want to join the session, can you please ping them? We are waiting.
Yes, sir, I am doing that.
Yeah, sure, sure. Till that, how's the Josh, guys? We are going to join this AI session. All you are ready? I am waiting for the message. Yes, yes. Okay, let's start. If have someone have follow, someone have to join, please join this session. Before that, I hope my screen is visible to everyone. Yes, yes, yes. So, welcome to everyone in this session. I am Arshdeep Singh. I am a lead software developer at Commudle. Behalf of that, I am a tech enthusiast. I love to make new tools. I love to follow the new tools. Before that, this is the session where we are doing only the interactions. I am not explaining anything. I am not going for the introduction for the part of the tools. I am just giving the practical example. I am not going for any definitions. So let's start. I think yes, lots of people are joined. Okay. So let's start. I am Asdeep Singh. I am a lead software developer at Commudle. I joined the Commudle approx 3 years ago. इससे पहले मैं एक नेटवर्क सपोर्ट इंजीनियर था। तो मैंने नेटवर्क सपोर्ट इंजीनियर के बाद अपनी डोमेन शिफ्ट करी आफ्टर सो मैनी डिस्कशन विद फैमिली विद माय मेंटर्स। सो यस, ये जब मैंने कंप्यूटर ज्वाइन करा तो मेरे पास एक ऑप्शन थी, क्या मुझे डोमेन स्विच करनी चाहिए। सो मे बी यस मे बी नो, सो आई डिसाइडेड एज ए यस। सेम ऑप्शन अब मेरे पास फिर आ रहा है, क्या मुझे एआई पे स्विच करना चाहिए। ये क्वेश्चन सबके पास आता है, क्या मुझे एआई पे स्विच करना चाहिए, क्या ये टाइम है एआई पे स्विच करने का, क्या मुझे एआई को शुरू से सीखना चाहिए। लोट्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर देयर जो एआई पे स्विच करना चाहते हैं, और मे बी सम ऑफ द पीपल आर ऑलरेडी इन द एआई फील्ड। सो लेट्स डिस्कस विद दैट। Before starting with that, this is the QR code where my LinkedIn profile is there. If someone have any question regarding any tech things, और किसी को कुछ पूछना हो after this discussion, after this session, तो मुझे वो LinkedIn पे कभी भी मैसेज कर सकता है। मैं अपने बारे में एक चीज बता देता हूँ, मैं कभी भी किसी को किसी के रिगार्डिंग जज नहीं करता। तो किसी को कोई भी डाउट हो, किसी को नहीं समझ आ रहा, कुछ भी हो, तो वो वहाँ इस चैट में मैसेज कर सकता है, जहाँ मुझे लिंक्डइन पे अभी भी मैसेज कर सकता है। अगर उसको लग रहा है कि मैं मैसेज करूँगा कोई कैसा बिहेव करेगा, कोई कैसा सोचेगा, डोंट वरी, वी आर ऑल आर स्टूडेंट्स हेयर। मैं भी एक स्टूडेंट हूँ, आप भी एक स्टूडेंट हो, आप भी यहाँ सीखने आए हो, मैं भी यहाँ सीख के ही सिखाने आया हूँ। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Yes, this is a quote which is very famous with the AI. Artificial intelligence is not intelligent. Yes, artificial intelligent intelligent नहीं है। वो एक वर्ड है जो हमें बता रहा है artificial intelligent, but it can act very intelligently. वो सिर्फ इंटेलिजेंट बनने की कोशिश कर रहा है। जैसे बच्चे होते हैं, वो हमें दिखाते हैं कि हम बहुत स्मार्ट हैं, बट वो स्मार्ट नहीं होते, वो कोशिश कर रहे हैं स्मार्ट बनने की। तो इंटेलिजेंट भी ऐसे ही है। तो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस सिर्फ इंटेलिजेंट बनने की कोशिश कर रहा है, वो इंटेलिजेंट नहीं है। हाँ, उसके पास पोटेंशियल है जो वो यूज करके अपने आप को इंटेलिजेंट एक्ट करके वो इंटेलिजेंट बिहेव भी कर रहा है। तो इसके रिगार्डिंग हमारे पास क्या है कि हम जब एआई से कुछ भी पूछते हैं, उसके पास एक मेमोरी होती है, जो वो मेमोरीज में से हर डाटा को कलेक्ट करके वो अपने अंदर लेके आ रही है, फिर हमें उसके रिगार्डिंग रिस्पॉन्स करती है, जिसे हम मेमोरी बोलते हैं, जो कि लीक होती है, जिससे डाटाबेस बनता है। और डाटाबेस सबको पता है, अगर किसी को नहीं पता, डाटाबेस एक सेट ऑफ थिंग्स होती हैं जिसके ऊपर हमारी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन, चाहे वो यूजर है, यूजर की इंफॉर्मेशन, आप इस सेशन में हो, सेशन की इंफॉर्मेशन, वो सारी स्टोर हो रही है इन द डाटाबेस। अगर किसी को कुछ भी डाउट हो, किसी को कुछ चीज नहीं समझ आ रही, तो वो प्लीज मैसेज कर लेना। लेट्स गो टू नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। आइस ब्रेकर, यस, इट इज इंटरेक्शन टाइम। मैं अभी आपकी स्क्रीन पे एक पोल आएगा। आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग टू एवरीवन कि वो प्लीज पोल में जो भी क्वेश्चन हो उसके रिगार्डिंग आंसर देना, ताकि आप इस सेशन में इंटरेक्ट कर सको सभी से। मुझे इंटरेक्शन मिलेगी तब मैं आगे सभी को इंटरेक्ट करने की ट्राई करूंगा, और मैं सबके रिप्लाई करने की कोशिश करूंगा। यस, आई थिंक देयर इज अ पॉपअप in your screen. What's the AI tool which you used last? I am waiting for the responses. Yes, yes, come on. Yes, yes. Still some user are pending to take the response. I am waiting for. I hope all guys fill this with the response. Okay, let's close this poll. Some make it lovable, some add ChatGPT, some add N10, Grok, Gemini, ChatGPT. Yes, these are the AI tool which we use every time, every day, and maybe for the studies, maybe for their office work, maybe for their assignments, maybe for their other activities. So this basically, which the tools which we are using for this, these are AI agents. Note, these are LLM models which basically only work on a chatbot. So let's go through with some another poll. Yes, which AI tool you usually rely on study or learning something new? I have some surprise with that. Maybe this will be useful. Yes, yes, waiting for responses. Come on, guys. I still have some response pending. If you are not using any tool, you can just write NA. No one is here to judge. Come on, guys. Come on.
गाइस पोल पोल्स पे रिप्लाई वो करो, कुछ रिस्पॉन्स दो, तभी तो मजा आएगा.
अगर किसी को कुछ इशू आ रहा है, दे कैन जस्ट मैसेज कि मेरा फिल नहीं हो रहा, या मुझे शो नहीं हो रहा, या मैंने फिल कर दिया बट कुछ इशू आ रहा है. मैं तब तक पानी पी लेता हूँ वेट करते करते आपकी. Yes, sir. Open button is not opening the next option. You can just click on submit response. This is just below the open button. Anyone else facing the same problem? Still nothing changed. Let me restart this poll. Yes. Can you see now? No. What happened? Okay. No worry, Keshav. We will figure it out. You can just put your answer here in the chat. We will figure out what's happening. Yes, loads of people write Gemini, Google AI Studio, Grok, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok. Wow, lots of users are using lots of tools. Yes. So our next is AI is your study buddy. So you are using Gemini, you are using Grok, you are using Claude, you are using ChatGPT. Lots of tools are there. Let's introduce one of new tool. Some are using with that, some are using with the new things. Grok. Grok is basically the tool which are using Grok 3 model, LLM model, and Grok is not only the tool which you are using for chat, you are using for task management, you are using for things like you can create an image, you can change your poster. If you are using something like that, you are using in event, you post something, you can just give me the image and write the prompt, write the caption. You can filter it out like the hashtag which are popular. So how to create a task? Let's create a task. uh, Create a task which will give me details of update regarding new tech tools, AI tools, change logs. Change log is basically the changes when new tool or some changes are there. Then change log will be comparing the previous thing with the new thing. Just this prompt and enter. Grok was searching something and he was acting. Now he just give me things. What he will do, he will create a task for me, which is daily tech and AI tools update. I just write one prompt and he give me a task. Sorry, he create a task which will this. What he will do, he will daily at 8 a.m. he email me. Now some people are there which are like, what kind of email is there? It is useful, it is not. Let's try. Create task. Okay, something will be not doing. Open the task. Oh, some task is there, it has limit of 2 tasks. No worry, I am just open this task is there. It create the task with these things, and if I want, I can just test it. It will run this task. Waiting. Let's wait. Waiting. Yes, email me. It email me regarding this is the summary of the things which I click on continue reading. Yes, it summarizes all the things which I need, and it will help me to update myself. Interesting. I hope so. It's interesting. It summarizes all the things. I can also have some links, backlinks, which help me to make. Okay, this is the things which we can use for updating myself, updating our education, update our tech skills. You can create 2 tasks. This is a limit of free group. If you want new or make this limit sorry, cross this limit, you can just pay small amount, but I am assuming this will be enough for 2 tasks. Interesting, guys. Yes, So let's go to another slide. From narrow AI to deep learning. Let's learn about something for the AI. The AI which we are using, the AI which we are involving every day. This is AI, this is done by AI, this is this. So let's break this. There are four types of AI which we are using generally. One is narrow AI. Narrow AI is basically the AI which we used for specific things like the chatbot or Siri or Google Map. This will do some simple things like I am going for somewhere. I just ask the Siri, what's the route? So it give me the things like this is a road, what's the time, it will give me the time. This is the narrow AI. This has some small brain which only do a specific task without any thinking power. Let's move to next, machine learning. This is the common word which was not a new technology. Everyone here the machine learning. I am pretty sure the college student and the professional learn about machine learning. They have some basic knowledge what is machine learning, how it works. So it is not the new thing in the AI. So machine learning, it is just for the improve the data of our system. Like I have to train someone. So machine learning will help the machine to learn things from the data which I already have, like our recommendation system. This is a common example, which is also we saw in YouTube's, in Spotify. Just I click one video and all things are there. The recommendation system works super fine for the YouTube. For the Spotify, I just listen one sad song and the whole list of sad songs is there. This is the machine learning which we use. Deep learning. Deep learning is like to train the model for the complex data. Like we have lots of things. The main thing is like image recognition system. The image is complex, it has some binary, it's in pixels. So with the image, recognize the text, recognize the photo, recognize the quality, recognize the colors. It is a complex system which will help our users to learn something with the deep things. This is deep learning. General AI. Everyone is thinking AI will snatch our jobs, AI will this, AI will that. कल को मेरी जॉब रहेगी नहीं रहेगी, मुझे नहीं पता, मैं मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. The general AI is dangerous. Yes, the general AI is very dangerous. General AI is basically a human being which act like human being, which think like human being, which do anything the logic questions. We are, the AI is not compatible with that, but maybe in future it will be compatible. What is agent AI? AI that goes behind beyond talking, it take actions. Like everyone is using the chatbot, it just do our chats. Like I am just writing hello, it respond me hello. I am just like I need this, it respond like this. It does not have access of the multiple things. Like I told him to add this in my Google Calendar. Maybe he will not. Why? This is not an agent. This is AI. It will do only the things which have the access. I don't give the access to ChatGPT. I don't give access to anyone. This will not perform actions. Agent AI will perform actions. They are not talking. They are thinking. They are act like I do your work. Like so many tools are there. The N8N, which will flow our AI, which will complete my task. How agent AI work? The four key steps. Yes, agent AI have four keys. How it will work, how it will think. The first step, hear you, like if you chat someone, it it you give text to them, it recognize the text, it analyze the things which you are given. Think, it think like human being are thinking, human being have thinking power. So it will think. How it will think? It will have some models, LLM models. They store the data, they analyze the data. So he think like that. Remember the memory. We have brain, we have memory. Just like agent AI have brain, have memory. How it will take the things, like I message something like my name is Asdeep Singh. If he it have memory, then it will have the history of my things. If it does not have any memory, how it will think? Act. He responds, sorry, it responds like I just give the chat, just like the task which we are create previous. The task is like I need some information regarding this, so mail it. It mail me. It is like act, the acting power. Why it matter for industry? Customer support, finance, software, coding. Everyone's thinking like AI will replicate our jobs. मेरी जॉब चले जाएगी, मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, क्या मेरी जॉब कल को रहेगी नहीं रहेगी? ये सिर्फ कोडिंग या टेक के रिलेशन पे नहीं हो रहा, ये हर जगह पे हो रहा है। कस्टमर सपोर्ट में हम आजकल चैट कर रहे हैं, कस्टमर से स्विगी से बात कर रहे हैं। द AI will respond first, then the agent will continue with the chat. Same like financial processes, maybe some technology is there which will help up the financial things. Like मैं कोई पेमेंट कर रहा हूँ, वो सही अकाउंट में जा रही है, वो अकाउंट फ्लोट तो नहीं है, वो टेस्ट कर सकता है। सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट कोडिंग में तो आजकल चल रहे हैं AI टूल्स काफ़ी, हम आगे सीखेंगे भी कि कोडिंग में हम AI टूल्स कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं। रिड्यूस ऑपरेशनल कॉस्ट कम होगी, कॉस्ट कटिंग हो रही है, ले ऑफ चल रहे हैं, सो ऑपरेशनल कॉस्ट तो कम होगी, डेफिनेटली होगी। इम्प्रूव डिस्कशन मेकिंग एक्यूरेसी होगी। हम मुझे अगर डिस्कशन करना है, अब मेरे पास एक और साथी है, एक और फ्रेंड है AI, चैट जीपीटी हो सकता है, कोई भी यही हो सकता है, बट मेरे पास अब एक और फ्रेंड है विच विल थिंक लाइक ह्यूमन बीइंग, सो ऑफ कोर्स होगी। Yes, interesting part is there. The demo. How are you? How many of you are waiting for the this part? The demo part? Yes. Only one people. तो डेमो सिर्फ एक इंसान को चाहिए, सिर्फ प्राची को? Okay, okay. Waiting. Yes. Before this wait, I have one more poll. Let's start. What's your profession? And there a AI tool which will be like game changer for you, for your work. Which AI tool will help you in work? If you're a student, it may be a chat GPT, it may be a Grok, it may be a Claude. Waiting for the responses. Yes, guys, waiting for the response. No one is using the AI for their work. Interesting. Only two people are using the AI for the work. Nice. Three. Still waiting for the response. Four, five, six. That's it. Okay, let's go for the result. GitHub Copilot, AI help me with questioning solutions. Currently student, ChatGPT and Gemini help me to think provision version is game changer. Student AI help me learning. Cyber security. Nice. GitHub Copilot. Nice. So in this session, we will do a small project how AI will help in software development industry. This is a software kilo which we are using for this. Let's create a portfolio website. Portfolio website. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. Chat GP to get trending topics and tags for YT posts. Nice. Yes. Create a portfolio website which will have below sessions, hero session section, skill section. Make it simple for now. We have only three. About me section. Now main thing, what we need, what we have requirements and how it will act. Make this with vanilla JS. If you have wrong spelling, don't worry. It will auto spell. Now it's thinking, it's creating something. Hope it will do perfect. Creating. Let's open. Waiting for the part. Wow, it's writing. See, it will create a requirement file. What are the requirements for our project? In the right side, you see it will give me a pop-up like move to design phase. Let's move to design phase. Before that, we have this, the requirement part. As a visitor, I want to see a engaging hero section when I first visit portfolio website so that I get a strong first impression and understanding who the portfolio belong to. Nice. Only one line prompt. It give me the requirements, automatic analyze the things. I am not giving anything. I create a new project. Nothing was saved before that. Waiting for the design part. I will share this repo if you want. How it will give the requirements, how it will create the things like that. The design part was complete. How it create the design part. The portfolio website. Okay, let's go to move to implement plan. I will share the repo link after this session. It has the architecture, technology stacks, HTML5, CSS3, no external dependency needed, only vanilla JavaScript, ES6 plus, purpose, create an impactful first impression with name, title, and call to action. Structure, how it will look like, how the hero section will have it have loads of things. Let's go to task list, waiting for the generation. Now, the main thing, it will distribute the task in some steps. It give me like 10 steps. First, set up a project structure. I will finalize the task, set up the project structure, implement core functionality. Now the second task will break into two parts, create base, implement response grid, build hero section. Third task, if you want to change anything in the line, I can just erase this and write this. After that, I have to just update task so that the task was updated. It was searching HTML CSS file. I have no file, so nothing will be happen. Searching for CSS, searching for JavaScript file, वो भी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती, कोई बात नहीं, वो पोर्टफोलियो से बाकी चीजें ढूंढ रहा है, कुछ भी नहीं है, ठीक है. सो जस्ट स्टार्ट task queued, open task list. Why the task was queued? Executed queued by general task. Okay, it was editing something. Let's cancel it so the task will continue. It will take line by line and create the things like CSS. It create a file style.css. It create a file responsive.css. Create a file for JavaScript main.js, navigation.js, animation.js. Okay, let's wait. HTML index.html. Go to task.md. See how it will create. Now I will create the main HTML file with the semantic HTML5 structure, proper section, accessibility attribute, and a meta tags for responsive design and SEO. I never mention any word like the SEO. I never mention the word like responsive design. I have to control this in phone, iPad, tab, nothing. This is the power of AI. First task was completed. Next, go for the next one. Okay, it's in progress. Okay, task completed. The first task completed. Next, go for the next one. Okay, it's writing something. It gives the brief introduction, how I am doing and what I am done with the things. Go for the next one. Task 2, task MD. It was reading these lines 10 to 21. Okay. If I want to preview this, I can just click here. This is the section, preview section, which is only have the HTML, no CSS, nothing. Waiting for editing part. Open the CSS. Let's see what it change. Editing, waiting. Bored or it's interesting. Maybe some are sleeping or some are taking the dinner. Wow, it's writing. It just write 392 lines of code. Now let me implement the second subtask by creating the responsive grid in the responsive CSS file. Okay, we are waiting for the next part. If we open the task, create a base CSS style and reset, implement the responsive grid system. We already 45 minutes passed, so I am not completing all these tasks. I am just share this list with you. You can go through with that. I am giving the link of Kiro, but it's in join list, so it's upon your luck. You will get the access of Kiro node. Let's open this. Open HTML. If I click on this, see, it's write some sections. It's make a little bit responsive in the about me section. You can create the whole portfolio with the help of this. I already make my portfolio with the help of this. This is my portfolio, which I completely taken and completely designed with Kiro AI tools, all the animation part, all the things. I even write a single code in this repo. Interesting. Portfolio is important, I think, for everyone. It will make the branding of yourself. It will be the things like that. So you can create your portfolio with this with the help of the AI tools. This is not the single tool. You can just open the Gemini. Okay, how why it was giving me to the keys part. Create a simple website for text conversions. Let's see, every AI tool can this kind of things now. It's doing, it's in progress. See, this is the result. Nothing will be there, just a single line prompt is there. Give me a simple website for text conversion. If I write this, okay, why it's not working? I think my tab was freezed. Yes, I just refresh. Yes, now it's working. I write my name. I need uppercase. I need lowercase. I need title. I need sentence case. I need reverse text. Everything is there. Just a single line of prompt. Which tool can create detailed images like I tried from ChatGPT? What kind of images are you looking for? A simple images, the images for yourself, geopolitical maps. Okay, we have some question section. We will discuss it there. Let's continue with the another things. This is the sheet just for the things. I will continue with another task. Till then, maybe it will complete it. Interesting guides. It will help you in future. Maybe it will help you in the another things. Yes, yes. Okay. Let's create another poll, which is in your screen. Okay, what happened? Something was not working. Give me a minute, please. Hmm, just wait a little bit. Wait a second. I'm not sure what's happening. I think my screen was again freeze. Hmm, मुझे लगता है कम्यूडल में बग मिल गया कि नया मुझे कल काम करना पड़ेगा. Yes. Let me refresh with the screen. I think Arpan was already working on the this part. Maybe some problem with webbook or something. Please give me a second. Yes, I am back. Maybe now it works. Yes, the policy in your screen. Yes, yes. Waiting for the responses. Till now, let's check this task completed. Okay. Let's run it. Okay, waiting for everyone responses. Yes. No, never tried. Why? I think all things are going for the AI, so you have to try the things like create a post. Let's try in front of you. Open ChatGPT. Create a LinkedIn post for my for my attendance in no. What will any suggestions for the LinkedIn post? What we will create? I use Merlin tool, auto comment, auto email, write, auto reply. Nice. Let's do that. See, it just create the post for me. If you go in my LinkedIn profile, most of my LinkedIn posts are created with the help of AI. If you go in my portfolio section, there is a blog section. Many of the blogs are written with the help of AI. Not completely, but it helped me to autocomplete the things. You can write the blogs, you can write the LinkedIn post, even also you can write the Instagram post caption with the help of AI. It was interesting. You can go with that. Okay, let's for the slides. How to write effective AI prompts. This is the main point. When you are writing, when you are creating the prompt to the chat GPT, I am going for the one liner prompt. This is not a correct way for the large things like Keshav, you are doing for the political images. You have to give the proper prompt for that. First prompt is like, sorry for this, clarity. What you want from the AI. You have the clarity for that. Example, create a website. We create the website there. I am writing create a simple website. If I need a complex, I write the create a complex website. So prompt is important. Create a simple website or create a website, or I don't need any coding, so I can write I need a no code website. Second, context. What was the context for you to make it a clear things? Like mention the purpose or background, business like a bakery or tour a platform, Wix a WordPress. मेरा बैकग्राउंड क्या है, मुझे कोडिंग आती है नहीं आती, तो वो उसके अकॉर्डिंग वेबसाइट देगा. मुझे वेबसाइट बनानी है बेकरी की, तो मुझे बेकरी की नॉलेज है नहीं है, मुझे उसका कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्या देना है. जब हमने अभी कीरो पे वेबसाइट दी थी तो मैंने उसको रिक्वायरमेंट्स बताई थी कि मुझे क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स चाहिए. इफ आई गो ऑन द दिस, तो मैंने उसको रिक्वायरमेंट बताई, मुझे हीरो सेक्शन चाहिए, स्किल सेक्शन चाहिए, अबाउट मी सेक्शन चाहिए. तो हमें उनको बताना पड़ेगा हमें चाहिए क्या स्पेसिफिक. हमें उसको प्रॉपर डिटेल में बताना पड़ेगा मुझे प्रॉपर चाहिए क्या. मुझे स्किल सेक्शन चाहिए तो स्किल सेक्शन में क्या चाहिए. अभी मैंने उसको नहीं लिखा, विच इज़ नॉट अ गुड थिंग. मुझे अबाउट मी सेक्शन चाहिए और अबाउट मी सेक्शन में मुझे उसमें इमेज चाहिए. उसने अभी जो हमें एक एचटीएमएल बना के दी थी उसमें इमेज नहीं है. सी, देयर इज नो इमेज, सो मुझे इमेज चाहिए. मुझसे इमेज चाहिए तो मुझे उसको बताना पड़ेगा। AI is intelligent, but not that kind of intelligent which would read your brain. फॉर्मेट, मुझे फॉर्मेट क्या चाहिए? अगर मुझे उससे कुछ लिखवाना है, ब्लॉग लिखवाना है, तो मुझे उसको बताना पड़ेगा मुझे बुलेट्स पॉइंट चाहिए, मुझे पैराग्राफ चाहिए। दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग while we are doing something for our school projects for the study। मुझे कुछ सीखना है, मुझे N10 सीखना है, तो मुझे उसको बताना पड़ेगा मैं नया हूँ, मुझे N10 सिखा दो, और मुझे उसमें पैराग्राफ अगर मुझे इजी लगते हैं पढ़ने तो मुझे पैराग्राफ में बता दो, मुझे पॉइंट्स अच्छे लगते हैं पॉइंट्स में बता दो, मुझे डिवाइड कर दो सेक्शंस को, वो कर देगा। द फ्यूचर ऑफ एजेंट AI। AI कहाँ कहाँ पे हमें आगे इम्पैक्ट डालेगा? अभी AI क्या हो सकता है 2025 में, अभी पड़ा है टाइम, हमारे बिल्स ऑटोमेट हो जाएं। आप एक वर्क फ्लो बना सकते हो जो आपके बिल को ऑटोमेट कर दे। आपको एक मेल आई, आप N10 पे एक वर्क फ्लो बना सकते हो जिसके थ्रू आप अपने बिल्स को ऑटोमेट कर सकते हो। ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग, मे बी Amazon फ्रेश, ब्लिंकिट, बिग बास्केट आपके 2027 तक आपकी ग्रोसरी लिस्ट को कर दे। उसको आप उसको एक बार बताओगे मेरा मंडे वर्थ होता है, तो वो आपके वर्थ के चिप्स भेज देगा। आप उसको बताओगे कि मेरे मंथ का राशन ये है, तो वो ऑटोमेटिक एनालाइज करके चीज़ों को वो आपके बकेट लिस्ट में ऐड कर देगा ग्रोसरीज। मे बी 2029 तक आपका जो स्कूल का काम है वो भी AI करना शुरू कर दे, आपके बिहाफ पे लेक्चर अटेंड करे, आपके बिहाफ पे जो टीचर बोल रहा है उसकी समरी बना के आपको दे दे। मे बी जो टीचर्स हैं वो AI के थ्रू आपको पढ़ाना शुरू कर दें। दिस इज द फ्यूचर ऑफ AI which was predicted, not the confirmed things. Yes, maybe this is the end of the section. Questions? Any questions? No one have question? Let's see this. See, it adds some animations. Only the hero section, because some of the tasks are not completed. It will take time. How to start in field of AI agents? See, अगर आपको AI के बारे में जानना है तो आपको सबसे पहले AI के बारे में AI टूल्स को चलाना सीखना पड़ेगा। आपके AI टूल्स के बारे में जानना चाहते हो, या AI के ऊपर जो आप काम कर रहे हो आपको AI में डीप नॉलेज चाहिए, AI टूल्स खुद के बनाने हैं, तो उसके ऊपर आपका डिपेंड करता है कि आपको AI एजेंट कहाँ से शुरू करना चाहिए। अगर आपको AI टूल्स के सिर्फ चलाने सीखने हैं तो आपको रोज नए नए AI टूल्स ट्राई कर सकते हो, फ्री में बहुत सारे अवेलेबल हैं। अगर आपको कहीं से मिल रहा है कि ये नया AI टूल आ रहा है, गो टू देयर वेबसाइट, मे बी दे हैव सम ज्वाइन लिस्ट। जो मुझे कीरो का सेस मिला था, मुझे भी ऐसे ही मिला था, मैंने ज्वाइन लिस्ट को करा, ज्वाइन करा, सो आई गेट द सेस, आई हैव सम बोनस पॉइंट्स, बोनस क्रेडिट्स। अमेजिंग क्लास, थैंक यू हर्ष। It is real that AI will replace job, or it only a rumor? Nice. I already created a poll. Let's start a poll for that. Okay. Okay, I think same issue again. Would you trust AI to draft your resume? कितना ट्रस्ट करते हैं आप AI के ऊपर कि वो आपका रिज्यूम बना के दे देगा? आप उसको क्या क्या सेस देना चाहते हो? ओके, waiting for the responses. Waiting. Mm-hmm. I think I have to refresh my screen again. Sorry for this. Yes, back. Okay, last poll. Do you think AI will take your job? Then I will also reply for the Kajal. Waiting, waiting. Yes, some will make yes for the writing email or messages. भाई मैं भी ज़्यादातर मैसेज का रिप्लाई करने के लिए प्रोफेशनली एआई टूल्स यूज़ करता हूँ. लिंक्डइन की पोस्ट के को लिखवाने के लिए एआई टूल यूज़ करता हूँ. सो यू कैन डू दैट. ओके ओके, वेटिंग वेटिंग. Sorry guys, I will definitely fix this issue with tomorrow with Arpan. Yes, maybe some part. Yes, definitely. See, guys, now I will give you the answer. AI will not getting any jobs if you are looking for the AI tools. अगर आप AI tools को यूज करना सीख जाओगे तो AI आपकी जॉब नहीं खा सकता. AI सिर्फ उनकी जॉब्स खाएगा जिनको AI टूल्स यूज करने नहीं आते. लाइक क्रिएटिंग द पोस्ट फॉर द लिंक्डइन. अगर आप लिंक्डइन पोस्ट क्रिएट करने के लिए AI टूल्स यूज कर रहे हो तो आपकी जॉब क्यों खाएगा? इफ यू आर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग तो आप AI टूल्स यूज करने सीखो. इफ यू आर कोडर, AI टूल्स यूज करने सीखो. जस्ट लाइक आई मेक दिस वेबसाइट विच आई विल शो यू. अगर आप AI टूल्स यूज कर रहे हो तो आपकी जॉब नहीं कोई खा पाएगा. आपको अप टू डेट विद मार्केट रहना पड़ेगा. दिस विल हेल्प यू टू सेव द जॉब. अगर आप AI टूल्स यूज नहीं कर रहे, अगर आप AI टूल्स सीखने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहे तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं तो इसकी प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ेगी फ्यूचर में. Let's shift to the next question. How can we build our career in AI? See buddy, same answer for the above. अगर आपको AI करियर बनाना है तो आपको बेसिक फंडामेंटल सीखने पड़ेंगे. लाइक APIs क्या होते हैं, JSON डाटा रीड कैसे करते हैं. I also have some of the demo, but due to time I unable to show you. सर AI tools basic बता देना in one class में. Sure, I will tell you the AI tools. Sir, can AI harm us like there are. सी केशव, AI टूल्स हार्म कर सकते हैं जब तक हम उसके ऊपर अपना ब्रेन कंट्रोल नहीं दे रहे. हम आजकल क्या कर रहे हैं, हम हर चीज कुछ भी चाहिए AI से पूछ लेते हैं. सो वो आपके लिए हार्मफुल हो सकता है एक लेवल पे आके. तो आपको उस चीज से डरने की जरूरत है. ऑब्वियसली कुछ सिक्योरिटीज हैं जो आपको हार्मफुल कर सकती हैं, लाइक आपका डाटा लीक हो सकता है. अगर आप उसको सारा डाटा दे रहे हो तो आपको वो प्रॉब्लम कर सकता है. यस, ओके. सो आई विल हैव स्मॉल थिंग फॉर ऑल यू. AI gifts. Yes, we have some AI gift for you. AI gifts, basically I have some links or maybe some tools which I usually use for the AI or doing the task for the AI. You can use that. I will share you the link here, or also share you the link with emails where you are registered. This will tool help you. यस भाई, मैंने ये सारी वेबसाइट यही से ही बनवाई है. आई राइट नथिंग. आई इवन मेक अ डॉट इन द कोड. ऑल इज डन विद द AI. This website link was shared with you, also shared you after filling the feedback form. फीडबैक फॉर्म आपको थोड़ी देर तक आ जाएगा. प्लीज फिल दिस फीडबैक फॉर्म. मैं आपको फीडबैक फॉर्म अभी देता हूँ. जस्ट अ सेकेंड. चिराग, can you please share the feedback form
Sure.
in the messages? What sorry Arpan, I just saw your message. What are some good points to check while prompt? There are lots of things you have to just clear yourself before writing the prompt. What was the context? What was the purpose? Do you want? What was the basic the आपको prompt लिखते समय मेन चीज जो आपको ध्यान रखनी चाहिए, जो आप लिख रहे हो उसका मेन पर्पस क्या है और आपको चाहिए क्या, वो आपको उसको क्लियर करना पड़ेगा. अगर आप उसको वेबसाइट बनवा रहे हो तो आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि मुझे इस वेबसाइट में क्या क्या चाहिए. अगर आप लिंक्डइन की पोस्ट लिखवा रहे हो तो आपको पूरी चीज बतानी पड़ेगी. आई थिंक Chirag was not there. Okay, I will share the feedback form link here. Okay, Chirag already do. Sir, any free self-hosting for NA10? Nikhil, for the NA10, there you can deploy this on Docker or Render. There is a website called as Render. Render पे आप NA10 को सेल्फ होस्टिंग कर सकते हो और अदरवाइज आप लोकल पे चला सकते हो. आपको नोड डाउनलोड करना है और आपको NA10 रन कर देना है आफ्टर इंस्टॉलिंग द NA10. अगर आपको NA10 के बारे में ज़्यादा नॉलेज चाहिए, वी कैन आल्सो मेक अनदर थिंग्स. So have you heard about the Dhruv that he new AI give many AI in a course in cheap? See, वो many AI cheap में दे रहा है, but उसके पीछे कौन सा मॉडल यूज कर रहा है, you have no idea. और वो जो कर रहा है, देयर इज सिक्योरिटी इशू में बी, आई एम नॉट कंप्लेनिंग समवन, आई एम नॉट हेयर टू मेक समवन डाउन, बट मे बी उसका कुछ सिक्योरिटी रीजन हो सकता है. Token are also limited there 40k. 40k tokens if you are make like there are limited. So AI tools have some limit. आपके अगर आप कोई भी AI टूल खोलोगे तो सबके पास एक पैक्स हैं अलग अलग टाइप के, प्रो है, मैक्स है, प्रो मैक्स है. तो दे आर सेलिंग विद दैट. दिस इज अ बिजनेस मॉडल. I think this is the time of end of the session.
गाइस किसी को कोई डाउट वगैरह हो तो पूछ सकते हो आप.
Yes, guys. Otherwise, it's my LinkedIn QR code, Kiro link, of course, buddy. I will share you the Kiro link to download Kiro, right? Yes. See, I will share the link, but Kiro, I already said it is in a preview mode, so I'm not sure how will you able to download it and how you are able to use it. But I will give you. Otherwise, I have one more thing. You can just go through the link which I shared. There are lots of tools are there. You can go with that. Anything else?
गाइस फीडबैक फॉर्म फिल कर लेना प्लीज. वो
Yes, please,
काफी
guys.
अच्छा.
Feedback form is important for me, for the community organizer, for the community, ताकि हम आगे इम्प्रूवमेंट कर सके और आपको नॉलेज दे पाए for the future things. Okay, bye guys. Give me more information about N8N. ब्रो N8N के लिए अगर आपको कुछ और इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, यू कैन जस्ट पिंग मी योर लिंक्डइन, वी कैन डिस्कस ऑन दैट, बिकॉज एवरीवन इज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड मे बी इन N8N, और ऑलरेडी टाइम वास 15 मिनट ऊपर हो चुके हैं, सो एवरीवन हैव सम अदर प्लान्स. यू कैन जस्ट ping me on the LinkedIn. I will share you my LinkedIn profile link with you. That QR code was already in your screen. Okay. I'm not sure what's happening. Interesting.
Okay, so I think session is completed, so we can leave. Thank you
Yes.
everyone
बाय
for.
बाय. अगर आपको कुछ भी डाउट हो आप मुझे लिंक्डइन पे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आपको जो बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन है वो आपको मेल में थोड़े टाइम तक मिल जाएंगी विद द लिंक ऑफ AI गिफ्ट्स, विद माय लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल लिंक और फीडबैक फॉर्म. प्लीज सारे फीडबैक फॉर्म फिल कर देना. कुछ भी डाउट हो लिंक्डइन पे पिंग कर देना. एंड बाय बाय. टाटा.
Thank you everyone for uh, join us. Please follow this community for next future events and hackathons.